read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Our today's lesson is about number 12. In the class, we taught to the students number 12. First of all, it's really important to develop the sense of counting. So, we have counted different objects in the class like coins and these almonds, flowers, students. So, at home, which thing is easily available? I think so, money. And it's a very good thing because students are familiar with them. You could also use candies or chocolates. But first of all, keep on the table 12 coins. After that, 10 rupees note and 2 coins. So, there are two ways to count number 12. Let's start. First of all, we will count 12 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many coins? 12 coins. Very good. Now, 10 rupee note and 2 coins. 10, 11, 12. 12. Very good. I hope so. It's very easier for yourself to develop the sense of counting. Now, I will teach you how to write number 12. After that, I will teach you how to identify it. So, let's start. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Make a cap, slant down, sleeping line. It will make number 2. Make a flashcard of number 12. Visualize it to the student and ask, which number is this? Okay, this is number 12. This is number 12. Very good. After that, story time. 12 almonds were in plates. The plates were on the table. The almonds were waiting for you to enjoy them. So, we will eat and enjoy. I hope so you understood how you have to teach number 12 at home. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.